Good afternoon guys, mayroon tayong isang panonoorin na video kung saan maglalaban ng leon at buffalo. Panoorin natin ito, maganda to.
A war is happening in the swamp. It fights for its life. What a pity. The lion has bitten its weak point. No more chances for this buffalo.
Wala na.
It's only a matter of time now.
Ganun pala lakas guys ang leon.
Let the buffalo get tired and pass away. This lion is very confident in himself. Observers are also watching this fierce battle. This lion is very patient. Another lion appears.
May isang leon. Namamatay. May isang leon dito. Kumbaga ang diskarte nitong isa abang-abang sa biyaya.
It just watches from afar and does nothing. It's moving closer. The lion also noticed, so he quickly left. Bring his loot. Because there is something waiting for the opportunity.
Grabe guys, napanood nyo yung laban, no? Lakas pala talaga ng leon. Hindi umobra ang lakas ng buffalo pala. Walang minagbat. Grabe. Ilang guys.